Hi everyone, my name is Cheryl and today I'm going to read two Halloween stories to you. The first story is called The 10 Timid Ghosts. It's by Jennifer O'Connell and the publisher is Scholastic Incorporated. Ten timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a skeleton and let out a whine. He flew to the woods and then there were 9. Nine timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a bat and didn't wait. He flew to the woods and then there were 8. 8 timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a ghoul and screamed, "Oh my heaven!" He flew to the woods and then there were 7. 7 timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a cat. What a terrible fix. She flew to the woods and then there were 6. 6 timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw an owl and took a dive. He flew to the woods and then there were 5. 5 timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a vampire and dashed to the door. She flew to the woods and then there were 4. 4 timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a monster and was as scared as could be. He flew to the woods and then there were 3. 3 timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a spider and what did she do? She flew to the woods and then there were 2. 2 timid ghosts in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted them out. One saw a rat and started to run. He flew to the woods and then there was 1. 1 clever ghost in a haunted house. A witch moved in and wanted her out. She saw the witch coming undone. She flew to the woods and then there were none. 10 angry ghosts in a deep dark wood. That witch is too tricky and just no good. This isn't fair. We live in there. Let's band together and give her a scare. 1 mean old witch in a haunted house. 10 brave goats wanted her out. Boo! The witch saw the ghost and howled with fear. She tore out the door screaming, "Get me out of here!" Okay, now I'm going to read another story. It's called The Night Before Halloween. It's by Natasha Wing and illustrated by Cynthia Fisher. The publisher is Gorsett and Dunlop Publishers. It was the night before Halloween, and all through the house, all the creatures were stirring except for the mouse. The monsters had gathered to plan and prepare for the trick-or-treaters who soon would be there. Mummies unraveled and put on new wraps. Spiders found corners and spun silky traps. Count Dracula grinned and slicked back his hair. Frankenstein's bride cried, "I have nothing to wear." "Hurry up," said the ghoul, who started to yawn. "There's so much to do before bedtime at dawn." So the witches brewed up a magical potion, which set every monster and goblin in motion. They blew up balloons and hung streamers and lights and decorated till the wee hours of night. Meanwhile, the children was tucked snug in their beds, while visions of candy corn danced in their heads. In the morning when they awoke, it was Halloween day. There was bobbing for apples and rides in the hay. There were costume parties and games to be played, cupcakes and candy, and of course a parade. After dinner was served and the kids were done eating, it was finally time to go trick-or-treating. Moms repainted faces and straightened clown hats, put wings back on fairies, angels, and bats. Jack-o'-lanterns were set out on porches with care. The grins seemed to say, "Knock if you dare." Gypsies and pirates and zombies in rags grabbed their bright flashlights and trick-or-treat bags. They walked down each lane, avenue, and street, rang every doorbell, and said, "Trick or treat." Just when the children thought they were done, the princess said, "We've forgotten just one." So they walked to the house at the top of the hill, which gave all the kids a spine-tingling thrill. They stood on the porch and were ready to knock when they heard heavy footsteps and a turn of the lock. When what to their curious eyes should loom but a wicked old witch holding a broom. Her cape, how it shimmered. Her face, oh how scary. Her hat was so pointy, it frightened the fairy. The wicked witch said, "Welcome, we have a surprise." And the children yelled, "Run! It's not a disguise." The monsters were sad when the kids ran away. They wanted the children to come in and play. The wicked witch said, "We can have our own fun. Come on, little monsters, the night's just begun." The monsters all cheered as they danced with delight. Happy Halloween to all, and to all a fright night. Now I'm going to show you how to make a recycled CD Halloween craft. On the front of the craft, you're going to have a bat, just like this. And on the back, you're going to have a pumpkin. Everybody will receive a bag just like this. Inside your bag, you will have a CD, a piece of yarn, a bat, a piece of orange construction paper, a pumpkin, a piece of black construction paper, and your directions. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to tie your string to the CD, make a loop just like this, and then you're going to tape it down. So it would look just like this. Next, you're going to take your orange paper and you're going to trace the CD onto the orange paper using either a pen or a pencil. And then you're going to cut out your circle. You're going to take your orange circle and you're going to glue it to the CD. And you're going to pat it down. Then you're going to put some glue on your bat. And you're going to put your bat right onto the orange construction paper. And it will look like this. And then you're going to turn it over. And you're going to trace the CD onto the black construction paper. And then you're going to cut out the circle. Then you can take your circle and put some glue on it. And you're going to glue it to the CD. You're going to pat it down. Then you're going to put some glue on your pumpkin. And then you're going to put your pumpkin onto the black construction paper. So on one side you'll have your pumpkin, on the other side you'll have your bat. If you'd like to do more take it and make it crafts, just go to our website and sign up for the crafts. Everybody have a great day. Bye.